So welcome back to the Realistic Viewer channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at the new YouTube editor which you can find on the YouTube Studio beta. So I'm currently in the beta itself, and what you do is then you go towards your videos and then you look for one of the videos that you want to edit out. I have one video that I wanted to adjust a little bit. So what's the best way to show it? By doing it itself. Then we go towards the editor button, which is the third button on the side, and then we press get started. So with the editor itself, you have a couple of options. You can trim down videos, you can add blur. So for example, if you want to remove a part, you can also adjust the music so if you have for example music which is copyrighted, then you can remove it as well. You can add end screens, you can add the blur, and you can add cards which link to other videos that you've made before. So little plug, if you want to learn more about other YouTube types of videos, I will add a card here at the moment. But now let's continue with the trimming. So what you can do is you can zoom in and zoom out, so you can then select a right part that you want to remove of the video. So first I have my slide in, then I have my transition, I have my intro for example, and this is one part, and here I have a second part that I wanted to remove. So what we do is we put in here, then we press the button trim, which actually selects the whole video, and in this part you can then, again by being more accurate, you can then select the part that you want to split. So we press split, and then you can slide towards the part that you want to remove. So this part is perfect. Then we press the preview button, which gives you the option to save it, and then after pressing save, as you can see, these changes will then permanently change all of the parts of your video. So you have to be sure that you want to do this. And also the good part of this is also you can trim different sections of your video itself. So I'll save it, and what will happen is my video will be then processed, changed, and the element that I wanted to be removed will be removed. If you have other questions in regards to YouTube, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And if you're new, subscribe. If you are a subscriber, hit the notification bell so you will be updated when I have a new video. This is Ivan from the Realistic Viewer channel, helping you achieve more.